Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for kiddos or any rock collector. I've always loved collecting rocks ever since I've been really little. I have a ton of rocks throughout the house. It drives my family crazy sometimes. But this activity set by National Geographic is perfect for kids, and it's also perfect for birthday parties. So this is the ultimate rock and mineral activity set. This is the box that it comes in. And why it's great for kiddos and birthday parties is you're gonna get these 10 little National Geographic bags, which makes it perfect because you can go ahead and make these little gift bags for the kids when they leave the party, and you get a ton of them, and you're gonna get a ton of different and unique rocks, and you can like seal them up nice and close so they have a little memento of the party. So what all do you get? Now, naturally, you're gonna get a little rock kind of a pamphlet here that tells you about the 6 special rocks that you're going to get. You're going to get basically the quartz, and they're all different. Obviously, they're natural, so they're all different shapes and sizes. So you're going to get the quartz. You're going to get the pyrite or fool's gold. This is always fun with the kiddos. Then you are going to get the desert rose. I absolutely love how desert rose looks, especially if you get it kind of wet and the really pink part stands out. Then you're going to get tiger's eye, another really cool looking rock with the little stripes, especially when they're nice and polished. And then finally, you're going to get a pumice stone, which are obviously, pumice stone is great for scrubbing and getting rid of stains. It's typically, you may use it around toilets and things like that. So you can even do these little activities with kids and say, hey, this is what this is used for, and these are the different activities of how they're used in real life. And each one of these are going to come in their own little baggies, so that way you can separate them out so each kid gets a special rock or all 6 special rocks. And then in addition to that, you are going to get 1.25 pounds of just assorted rocks. And they're going to come in this big bag here, so you can just kind of pick them out. Now, they all are nice in small size, so they're not really huge rocks or anything like that, but they're all polished, all different looks to them, so they just get more to explore. Great little activity, and like I said, very, very simple. It makes a great party favor gift, whether you are doing it for Halloween, whether you're doing it for birthdays, or whether you're just giving it out maybe at an event like Easter or something like that. But overall, if you're looking for a great rock activity kit, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to that. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.